Hi, today we're going to talk about the EON Global AI-powered grant knowledge program that's specifically designed for post-pandemic resilient recovery in education, enterprise, and communities. But first, a few words about EON. 25 years in existence, NASDAQ registered, also a non-profit arm called Learn for Life that's been active in the developing world for 15 years. We have the leading platform for AI knowledge Metaverse, including 6 products, world's largest library with more than 6 million assets, 42 million users, and present in more than 100 countries. The value offered by this solution, according to PricewaterhouseCoopers, enables students to learn 4 times faster, be 275% more confident, 3.7 times more emotionally connected, and 4 times more focused. Now, to resolve and to address this, however, there were some obstacles that we have overcome, including the fact that this technology historically was too expensive, that was too difficult to use. We made it free and code-free and open, and that there were not enough library items. Other problem we addressed, that this is not only present there just in virtual reality, but also expands your physical reality by enabling you to create digital twins that are then merged with physical reality, as you can see in that image. And finally, the ability to teleport and connect with anyone, anywhere in a virtual or physical environment using walking, talking, and exchanging information in the metaverse. And of course, the ability to build this metaverse by simply walking and talking with no coding experiences. And the ability to bring it to life by just touching and going and basically putting different type of interactions and learn and earn. So the ability with the marketplace to allow students that create these experiences or teachers to receive the revenues from what their creation that they own. There's many other features, but in interest of time, I will not talk about that. Instead, I will talk about the groundbreaking EON AI Assistant that generates 43 features and a comprehensive report up to 50 pages of text containing things like assessment, essay, lesson plan, outline for syllabus, learning objectives. But rather than me talking, if you want to see it, you can click on the links later, but let's listen in. Hi, today we're going to talk about EON Artificial Intelligence Assistant environment in extended reality. It supports over 30 different devices with a personalized library with more than 6 million assets working in 5.4 billion devices.
Hi, what do you want to learn about?
I want to learn about jet engines.
Now I'm going to create a knowledge portal for you.
Air-breathing jet engines typically feature a rotating air compressor powered by a turbine.
Action engine discharging a fast-moving jet that generates thrust by jet propulsion.
Today we're going to talk about the portals, the knowledge portal, the assessment portal. Each asset gets its own portal, either 3D asset, but also for full 3D environments. Can you provide me details of the top 10 components of a jet engine?
Top 10 components of a jet engine. 1. Compressor. 2. Turbine. 3.
The exciting part that you can also create knowledge portal for the real world. AI recognizes real objects and assigns knowledge portals to them.
A cactus, plural cacti, cactuses.
Okay. A cactus is a member of the plant family Cactaceae.
Today when you take your vitamins, please take an extra tablet of Complete B Complex. This one and this one.
Would you like to walk with me now?
Absolutely. Let's walk over to the bridge and I can tell you all about it. Charles Bridge is a beautiful bridge that spans the Vltava River in the historic...
Fleur en français. Blom på svenska.
Café au lait, c'est une chose très spéciale pour la France.
So you can create your own exhibit, different shapes in your rooms, persistently there. Like you see in this environment with a kraken even a self-portrait that you can expand and display that is AI generated, or even your student art competitions. Simply put, EON Creative can decorate your walls, your floors, your ceiling. Personally, for me, is to create my own relaxing sanctuary of art and open up my ceiling in the night. And finally, with respect to publishing, you can publish this public, unlisted, or private. First, we see the marketplace where you can both buy, but you can also sell your assets as you want. It's available on Vive, on MetaQuest 1, 2, and Pro, Magic Leap 1, 2, HoloLens. And you can also customize your avatars, and they can be very different. AI generates a full report, which includes assessment, essays, outline for syllabus, learning objectives, quizzes, scripts for videos, rubric design, learning activities, and many more things. Okay, so in essence, AI provides you superpowers. So while today many are concerned about AI outperforming humans and the big displacement that universal basic salary may monetarily fix, but not the need for purpose and dignity, EON AI Assistant can turn around this and make the AI your personal knowledge servant, which allows you to do more complex and creative work and essentially taking care of mundane tasks. And this can work for any topics from TVET to fine arts to social behavior to human services, mathematics, and can work on any area, whether it's K-12 environments or TVET environments or things like, for example, higher education. And academic institutions like Carnegie Mellon, Cornell University, etc. are using this solution. They use it to learn, train, and perform. And also many of our industry customers are using this for reducing cost and increasing productivity. The normal customer rate is based on a subscription, which is a monthly subscription of $36 and $55. But if you get the grant, we cover up to 99% of that. And this grant program was launched in July 2021, has been adopted in many countries, almost 100 countries across the world, and the results have been astonishing.
Areas on the credit side.
You can listen in if you want.
So
there's hundreds of hours of reference and testimonials online. The benefits can be summarized in 4 things. It does transform education, enhances the education quality by increasing student enrollment, retention, satisfaction, enables you to build your own digital assets, and ultimately also opens the door for return investment, for example, with the marketplace. The inclusion in the Metaverse, the delivery consists of infrastructure. We cover perpetually 100% of the cloud infrastructure hosted by the world's largest company, Amazon Web Service, the EON platform infrastructure, all the EON products, the hardware, and the know-how. And the step-by-step procedure is quite simple. We introduce this in a meeting, as we do today. You can submit online. There's no obligations with the application, financial or otherwise. Once you get feedback and you get approved, you get the certificate, which is valid for a period of up to 45 days while you do the due diligence from both sides, and if including testing the products, and if we all agree, we give you the grant. An example of this is a case study from UBT, where we started with, we ended up with 16,000 students in 2 months. And during that period, the students created more than 50,000 lessons. Here's the grants for colleges. We have a grant called Future Skill Grant, up to $25 million. We cover up to 99%. Research grant, $25 million for universities. And the Knowledge Metaverse goes up to $250 million for governments. That's it. Looking forward to chat more and to engage in this process. Thank you.